Hi guys, Ronnie here out in the shop working on a new job. I got an order for the nightstands, bedroom nightstands that I built. I made a video on it. I'll put a card up with the power outlets. So I got an order for that, but ran into a little snag early on, and let me show you what I'm talking about. So I got all the legs cut and tapered, tapered on two sides. If you haven't seen the video on how to taper your legs or how to build a taper jig, I'll put a card for that as well. But got them nice and tapered, all looking good. Problem is, I cut them at 28.5. My client ordered a 30-inch height nightstand, and I'm using 3/4 inch material for the top. So this is gonna wind up being 29.25. What do you do? What do you do in that situation? Well, I contacted my client, and as you can see from the text message exchange, she is fine with 29.25 for the height. So it worked out pretty good for me there. Fortunately, that client happens to be my daughter, so pretty forgiving. But hey, as I put in the text message, don't settle. I didn't want her to settle. I want to make exactly what she needed. She said 29.25 worked fine. If it hadn't worked out, I would have recut the legs, right? No problem, I could have redid that. So the lesson here is don't do as I just did, but sometimes it's unavoidable because I've been doing this for a while, and even I make mistakes. We all make mistakes. The key is just to move on, correct it if you can. And unfortunately for my case, then my mistake is accepted. So anyway, these things happen. Don't let them discourage you, and keep pressing forward. I hope you guys are busy building stuff and selling them, and I'm gonna get back to this project. I'll show you, I'll probably put a picture in the community tab. She's gonna have all black stain on these, and power outlets actually on the back instead of like my original on the top. So I'll show you how that worked out when it's done, but just wanted to make this quick video to show you mistakes happen, even to the best of us. Key is to press on, move forward, correct them, all that thing. The important thing is don't let them get you down. Anyway, thanks for watching. Get back to your work, get back to your projects. Let me know what you're building. Bye.